Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Rants by Day. This is Srijani again, and thank you so much for showering me with all the love and support that you have done. And I know it's my channel is really small, but to all the people who really genuinely watched my videos and commented on it, engaged and shared my video, trust me, this means a world to me. And I know that I first started this channel back in 2022, which is like 3 years, but I haven't been active, but now I am trying to be. So thank you so much for making an effort and watching my videos. Also, thank you so much for 100 subscribers. And honestly, I am making this video even before we hit 100 subscribers. So I really do not know how it feels to, but the thought of it makes me so happy. We are actually sitting in 96 right now, as of now, and I'm not going to be posting this video before we hit 100 subscribers. So yeah, and as you have guessed from the thumbnail, which is very unique, and I believe nobody has ever made a video on it, but I think it is important for me to make a video on this particular topic. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So this video, as you have seen from the thumbnail, is about my obsession with this particular edition of classics, which is Penguin Select Classics. And I am obsessed, and obsession will be an understatement, honestly. So without any further ado, I would show you guys all the books that I currently have and the books that I have ordered from the Prime Day sale that is going on. So today is 13th of July. So I've bought 10 books and I will be showing you all right now. So all of this started with this book, which is Little Women by Louisa May Alcott. Look at the cover, it's so pretty. So I bought this book. I have never been a reader like since childhood. I've picked up reading since 2019, and I have never read classics before. So I judged this book by the cover and I bought the book, and then I was obsessed. So this is the book I have read and loved. So then I bought this, which is Frankenstein by Mary Shelley. I love the cover of this. Actually, I have been buying these books just for the covers, and honestly, I want to read the book as well. But these particular editions make me so happy, and like I don't know, it gives me some weird sort of satisfaction and happiness. So the specialty of this books are that they are hand painted, I suppose. So look at the texture and everything of the books. So next up we have a very special book, which is Jane Eyre by Charlotte Bronte. This is the cover. Isn't that stunning? I mean, look at that. I would also like attach a photo or video if I can, because look at the textures. It's this was gifted by my best friend, and I love you. Thank you so much. But I also nagged for a gift, which is a Penguin Select Classics. So thank you so much for this book. So this is the book. Then I had bought Great Gatsby, which is this one. This is also super pretty. Look at that. Huh. Then we have Wuthering Heights by Emily Bronte. So this is a hardcover. I love this, but I don't love it as much as the paperbacks, because it does not have the full design, right? So it has spread edges as well. So this is the only hardcover from Penguin Select Classics that I have, but I love the paperback more. So yeah, then I have another book which I'm currently reading. I'll show you. So this is The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank. This is the cover. This also has like pretty textured art in it, and I'm also annotating and reading it. I'm taking my read slow because like I wanna enjoy the experience, and like yeah. So I've also missed out another book, which is Mansfield Park by Jane Austen. Look at that. This is stunning. So this is a gift by Monjimali. Thank you so much. I love you. So this is that, and she knows how obsessed I am with this particular edition. And Penguin should actually sponsor me, but they are not. So I'm buying it of my own money. It's so sad. So the highlight of the year, of the month, of the week, of the day, and of my life a little bit in a way, and of the video, of course, is that I have bought 10 books, all Penguin Select Classics, and I bought them from Prime Day sale. So I've bought, this is one package which has I think two books in it. Then we have a humongous package which is so big, and I'm surprised it didn't tear off in like during the shipment. So I had already received one book in the morning, which I have. So I had an event to go to attend. So I had this book. I received this book before I left. So I had like opened the book. Da. So this is the book. Isn't this so pretty? I love it. It's called The Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. This is the book. It's super tiny. I think I can like finish it in a day or two. So this is the first book from the sale. So and we have nine more. So let's open the first small package first. I have my scissors and I'm gonna pin my mic on my shirt so that it's easy to unbox. So okay, so we have two books, which is The Picture of Dorian Gray by Oscar Wilde. Stunning. Love it. This is how it looks like. I hope you can see. So this is Oscar Wilde's The Picture of Dorian Gray. Then we have The Bell Jar by Sylvia Plath. I bet this is the most unique cover that you have seen ever on the internet of The Bell Jar. So this is the book, and I'm also gonna tell you guys the deals that I got of like for the book. So I also got discounts of rupees 30 each book, so that came around for rupees 90 for Picture of Dorian Gray, and for Sylvia Plath it was 110, which is a fair good deal for Sylvia Plath. And I think I bought the Strange Case one for rupees 100. So, like, no, 102. So, yeah. So, now time for the big parcel. The way they sent the books, I am so mad, but the fact that they sent the books in 2 days is something. So, I got the Odyssey by Homer. This is the book. So, I'll be showing you guys all the books, and then I am going to tell you the price, okay? So, this is the Odyssey by Homer. I read the Song of Achilles, which is based on the Iliad, and I loved the book with all of my heart. Like, it's Achilles and Patroclus's world, and we are living in it, honestly. So next up, we have what? We have 1984. I love the cover. Oh my god, look at that! I've got 1984 over here by George Orwell. You have, I bet this is the most stunning cover on the internet you can find. Like, you can't find a better cover. I'm just stuttering, but okay. Then we have Beyond Good and Evil. This is that. I like the cover. Yeah, I like the cover. This is Beyond Good and Evil. Then we have what? Aha, this is Mrs. Dalloway by Virginia Woolf. This is stunning. I mean, you can literally see the texture of the canvas over here. It's basically like painted on a canvas and then printed over here. Oh my god. then we have another book by Virginia Woolf, which is To the Lighthouse. It's pretty as well. I love it. I like the painting. I like the art. So I think by this time you know that I basically bought these books for their covers and for the art. Yeah, I am in a place where I'm judging classics by their covers. Judge me all you want. Next up, we have Mr. Doyle's book, which is Sherlock Holmes. Do I have the whole collection of Sherlock Holmes? But I have bought the book, which is it's folded. Penguin, seriously? Huh. So it's The Adventures of Sherlock Holmes. This is a book. I think it has 12 of Sherlock Holmes's stories. Yeah. So it has 12 Sherlock Holmes stories. This is the book because I cannot carry my humongous book everywhere. So I will carry this. It's much portable and it has a pretty cover. So yeah. For the final one, um, we have Miss Austen's book, which is Northanger Abbey by Jane Austen. This is the book. I like the cover. I won't say that I love it or I'm obsessed with it, but I like it. So yeah, I don't know if I've received a receipt. Yes, I did. So I will just read out the price and just tell you guys the deals. Okay. But wow, the receipt does not have ink in it. All this long receipt and no ink. So I'll just tell you what I remember honestly. So I think this book was for 120 or so. Yeah, it was for 120. Sherlock Holmes. Then To the Lighthouse was for 110 or 120. I don't remember. I think yeah, 120 rupees. This was okay. Then we have Mrs. Dalloway, which I think I got for rupees 129, and then I also got rupees 30 discount. So that gives me like rupees 100. Sherlock Holmes also I got 30 rupees discount, which brings to 120. Then To the Lighthouse I didn't get any discount. Then for Beyond Good and Evil, this was for 150, I remember, and this also had like rupees like 30 rupees discount. So this was for rupees 120. Then 1984 was I think for rupees 120 or 125 or so. So I got this for rupees like 90. So yeah, 30 rupees discount. So this. Then so I have 2 stars of the show, and I bet that you cannot guess. So Miss Sylvia Plath I got for I think rupees 150, and then I got a 30 rupees discount. So that was for yeah rupees 110 or 120 aisa kuch. So yeah, and and to anyone who can guess the price of Northanger Abbey and The Odyssey by Homer will get a book from me, and you have to comment the price of these 2 books and pause and comment, okay? Yeah. So I'll tell the price either way, so nobody's getting any book. Ha ha ha. I know you guys can like literally watch the video and like be we told the price. I'm sorry. I got the Odyssey. So this was retailing for rupees 80, and I got 30 rupees discount, and I got it for rupees 50. I mean, Homer's book I got for rupees 50. Can you imagine? No, right? So I got it for 50, so I got this book. I know I cannot understand shit from the book because the English will be so hard. Miss Austen's book was retailing for 63 rupees, and I got a 30 rupees discount. So Miss Austen's book I got for rupees 33. I honestly do not like the cover as much of this book, and I liked the cover of a different edition of this book. But since I got it for rupees 33, and nobody is gonna give me a book for rupees 33, so I got the book. And I'll also have like the same edition. So ha 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 ha. So yeah. that's it for the video. And if you have liked watching my video, let me know in the comments, and do share this video, and let penguin people know that I'm obsessed with their books, and like maybe they can like sponsor me someday. So yeah, that's it for the video, and thank you so much for sticking around and showing me all the love that you had. And yeah, thank you so much. I hope you liked this video and you've enjoyed staying with me. So yeah, and let me know what you would like to see further on my channel, and what more can we bring to make this space better. So yeah, that's it for today's book haul, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.